So we are about to clean, but really quick, I want to show the things that I just got from Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree for the first time in forever, and I decided to start organizing my fridge. I kept saying that I would not get on board with that, but I got inspired by Pinterest last night. So I got 3 of these to put like yogurts, applesauces, and drinks in. I got these for my kids' snacks. I want to get some more things to organize, but Dollar Tree just didn't have a whole lot to organize your fridge with. Plus, I want to stick with like the clear ones and not the colored ones. But then I also just got a couple more Valentine's Day decorations that weren't there the last time I went to Dollar Tree. I just got these little things, and I have no idea where I'm going to put them at.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level.
Here lately, I have been wanting to give my kids chores, and we decided that the dishes would be their chores. So far, it's really not going that great, but they actually didn't do that bad of a job when I gave them this chore. Once we got done unloading the dishwasher, I let my kids take over, and they finished the dishes, and they actually did a lot better than I thought they would, but they were like tired halfway through and did not want to finish. But I was super excited to do this video because whenever I get new pieces of decor, I like to go ahead and clean and record it so that I can show you all the new stuff that I bought. Like I showed at the beginning, I did get a couple more things from Dollar Tree because sometimes when I go in there, they just don't have all their stuff out. So if I see something I like, I go ahead and grab it. I also got a couple things for my kids for Valentine's Day, which stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a Valentine's haul of everything that I got for them.
That's my true to love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn.
I had not cleaned my windows in forever. It's so embarrassing, and I still have all of my Christmas decorations outside. I'm really embarrassed about that too. I really need to go out there and clean my patio, and I want to get new patio furniture so bad. I got rid of my old patio set because I just wasn't happy with it, and now I want a new one so bad. But anyways, I'm so glad to finally get these windows done because there were handprints all over them. I know you really can't tell in the video, but I actually went over my windows twice.
With her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you right now. I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light.
During the week, when we come inside, we immediately just drop our shoes down. As you can see, they pile up so bad throughout the week. I've been wanting to buy a shoe rack right there where you see that crate with the love sign on it. I would love to get something there that looks decent that we could like shove all of our shoes in, but I just have not found the right piece of furniture. Plus, our entryway is so small, so I don't really know how we would make room for it. But this is where our shoes end up, and there are my nieces. She is helping me get all of the shoes up. I was so grateful for her. She loves cleaning. I have never met a kid that loves cleaning as much as my niece. Like, she was looking for any way to help me this day while my kids were fighting over who was going to load the dishwasher and who was going to wash off the dishes.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone say.
Time for my favorite part. I was extra excited to organize my fridge, and I'm actually just embarrassed on how it looks on camera. It was so bad. And it's funny because my fridge looked so full until I actually cleaned it out, and then it looked empty. Like, I immediately felt like we needed to go to the grocery store. It felt like we didn't have anything. I guess like a lot of stuff that was in here was like leftovers that we never ate, and like some food was even expired. So I got rid of a lot of stuff and I wiped it down, and we had even spilt Kool-Aid in the bottom of the fridge, and I actually wasn't even able to get all of it up this day just because it was so bad and like caked on the bottom of the fridge. So I'll have to go in and do that another day. But like I showed earlier in this video, I did get some stuff to organize the fridge from Dollar Tree. They've actually got some really neat stuff for when it comes to organizing your snacks and your food. And I finally jumped on the train where I want my fridge to look nice and organized. And it also makes the kids just want to grab for the healthier snacks, because the healthier snacks are always in the fridge. So it makes them want to grab for it a little bit more often because of how it looks so neat in there. I also took away the kids' snack drawers because my kids had like 2 snack drawers, and they were going back to the snack drawer so much. Like, they wouldn't even ask myself and their dad for snacks. They were just sneaking them all the time, and we were just going through groceries so fast. So I decided to get a couple of containers from Dollar Tree to organize their snacks in the cabinet. That way we would hear them to go into the cabinet, and they're more likely to ask for snacks this way.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be 2 of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you.
already tell how much better this looks, in my opinion. And then beside me on that counter, you can see all of the groceries I got rid of. And now I'm just organizing the snacks for the cabinet, and I really just like how it all turned out.
Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something.
One mistake that I made was buying a white table for my kitchen. I thought this table was so cute and it just fits so perfectly in this corner, but I cannot keep it clean to save my life. It stains so easy, but awesome is your best friend if you have a white table. I just let some awesome sit on the table for a little bit, and eventually it comes off for the most part. But if you look very closely to the table, you can still see some stains and stuff on it. But for the most part, I'm able to manage it, but eventually we'll probably get rid of this white table just because of how quickly it gets dirty.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us on tonight.
And now I'm just restocking the K-Cups. I also decided to put all of the kids' hot chocolates in this little jar just because it made things a little bit more organized. And honestly, we haven't been going for the hot chocolate as much lately. I don't know if we got burned out from drinking so much hot chocolate at Christmas time or what, but I just love the way the K-Cups look in this little jar. And look how cute that little fake candy heart is I got from Dollar Tree. I love them so much, but this was really the only color that went with my theme, so I only grabbed one. And then my sister actually got me that Ray Dunn mug that says "Be Mine," and I just thought it looked so cute sitting under the Keurig. this is it for my video. I hope that you stick around and see what I decided to get my kids for Valentine's Day this year.